Indonesia is one of the world's largest producers of seaweed, but cultivation involves single-use plastic bottles, a major ocean pollutant. CNA's Chandni Vatwani examines a pilot project by the government which aims to reduce waste and promote more sustainable farming practices. Take a look.
This is a typical morning for Ruslan. If he's not harvesting seaweed, he's cultivating them using the longline method. Seaweed fragments function as seedlings and are attached to the main ropes, then suspended from buoys anchored in the water. This creates a vertical farm that maximizes space and uses the entire water column for growth. In major seaweed-producing regions, the industry relies heavily on single-use plastic bottles like these for buoyancy to hold up cultivation lines. But things are slowly changing in Indonesia, starting here in South Sulawesi.
I'm surrounded by plastic bottles that seaweed farmers use as buoys to keep their seed lines at optimal depths. But these ones are more durable, can be used in several harvest cycles, and can still be recycled when no longer in function.
This is part of a pilot project by the government. And Ruslan is among the first batch of seaweed farmers to receive buoys made of high-density polyethylene, a type of thermoplastic known for its high strength-to-density ratio, resistance to chemicals, and most importantly, is recyclable.
Paling bagus lah istilahnya. Kenapa? Terutama ketahanannya bisa. Sedangkan pelampung biasa itu bisa 2 kali panen, 1 kali panen, hancur lagi. Sedangkan itu bisa tahunan kalanya. Kedua, tidak terputar di bentangan. Kalau di laut, karena ombak tak putar, tidak dia ini, bagusnya tidak terputar. Jadi istilahnya lebih menguntungkan lah ini, sayang sedikit.
Authorities are looking to strengthen downstreaming in the seaweed industry and support the welfare of coastal communities. The new buoys are part of a campaign to cultivate environmentally friendly seaweed for a more sustainable future.
Setelah itu masa waktunya akan habis, maka kita bisa ganti lagi. Dia bisa mengganti, di-recycle lagi. Sebetulnya ini bukan hanya sekedar mengganti, tapi yang paling penting itu adalah transformasi knowledge kepada mereka bahwa plastik itu adalah pencemar di laut yang mereka harus kurangi.
For now, the initial distribution phase involves just one area in the province. But environmentalists say more needs to be done to improve the cultivation process, given that the industry is still in its early stages and seaweed can be considered a relatively new commodity.
Penting juga misalnya mengajak masyarakat atau petani itu untuk berdiskusi kira-kira jalan keluar atau alternatif lain penggunaan botol plastik itu apa baiknya, karena saya meyakini beberapa daerah atau petani-petani di Sulsel ini rumput laut itu pasti memiliki atau punya alternatif tersendiri. Mungkin saja misalnya dengan menggunakan sandal bekas atau kelapa.
Optimal seaweed production requires a healthy supply of good seeds, and authorities say they're also exploring options in creating seaweed nurseries to ensure the harvests can fetch the best possible prices. While funding remains a challenge, these efforts are a step towards more sustainable seaweed cultivation and could strengthen the future of Indonesia's green gold industry. Chandni Vatwani, CNA, South Sulawesi, Indonesia.